Welcome back to our creative community. Today, we're diving into a fantastic crafting project, sublimating microfiber towels. If you're looking for a practical and fun way to apply your designs, microfiber towels offer a unique canvas. Join me as we explore everything you need to know about this process, from the materials required to the detailed steps for vibrant results. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Let's look at understanding sublimation on microfiber towels. Sublimation allows for the creation of long-lasting, vibrant designs that integrate directly into the material of microfiber towels. These towels are perfect for sublimation due to their high polyester content, which ensures that the ink bonds effectively for stunning visual results. Now for materials and tools required. Sublimation printer, capable of handling high-quality sublimation inks. Microfiber towels. Opt for 100% polyester for best results. Sublimation. Ink and paper, essential for transferring your designs. Heat press. Provides the necessary heat and pressure to transfer the design. Protective paper and accessories. To ensure a clean and successful transfer without damaging your equipment. Preparation for sublimation. Before you start, it's critical to prepare your microfiber towels properly. Cleaning. Use a lint roller to remove any dust or fibers. Pre-pressing. A quick press for 5 to 10 seconds removes moisture and ensures a flat surface. Design placement. Secure your printed design on the towel using heat-resistant tape to prevent shifting during the sublimation process. Let's move on to the sublimation process. Time, temperature, and technique. Temperature and time. Heat your press to 375 degrees and sublimate the towel for about 55 seconds under medium pressure. This combination is key to achieving vibrant, lasting colors. Execution. Carefully place the towel in the press. Cover it with protective paper and apply the heat evenly. After pressing, let the towel cool slightly before removing the paper to reveal your design. Now it's time for some creative applications and design tips. Personalization. Microfiber towels are great for personal use, gifts, or promotional items. Think gym towels with motivational quotes or kitchen towels with custom recipes or images. Design choices. Bold, colorful patterns work well on the smooth surface of microfiber, allowing for sharp and vivid prints. Utilize high-resolution images to maximize the impact of your designs. And finally, let's talk about troubleshooting. Common sublimation challenges. Color fidelity. If colors aren't as vibrant as expected, check your ink quality and ensure your printer settings are optimized for sublimation. Image clarity. Prevent image shifting by securing the design firmly with tape. Check your press for consistent pressure across the entire surface. Material issues. Ensure the polyester content is high enough. Towels with lower polyester levels may not yield the desired vibrancy. Sublimating microfiber towels is not only a practical approach to creating customized items, but also an excellent way to experiment with personalized designs. With the right preparation and technique, you can produce towels that are both beautiful and functional. Thank you for joining me in this sublimation adventure. If you enjoyed this tutorial and are interested in more unique sublimation projects, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more creative ideas. Have questions or want to share your designs? Drop a comment below. I'd love to see what you create. You can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Happy crafting!